Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a VR for Paper Confessions with Cara Mia. I am a new subscriber to her channel. She is hosting a two-of-a-kind summer challenge that ends on August 1st, 2023. She is requesting we send her either 2 vintage playing cards, 2 lace appliques, or 2 crafter's choice, and to use the hashtag Paper Confessions Challenge giveaway. Let me show you what I will be sending her way. I created a basic card front because I plan on sending flat mail. I did add some ribbon trim and did some layering. This is the paper pad that I used. It's Prima Love Story. It's really pretty and it's double-sided. I've had this in my stash for a while and I've never used it. When you open the card, on this side I created a small belly band. I didn't have any vintage playing cards, but I did have these vintage old Maid cards. I looked it up, they're from 1968 and I think these are so hilarious. These are the backs. I'm sending these two her way. They fit right there. On this side, in my stash, I found these 2 matching appliques. I put them on this card using some removable sticky dots. I hope that she will enjoy using these in her junk journaling. I'll be sticking that down to the card as well. And then I am sending her a sample of my dewdrops in some different colors. It's gonna go right there. That is my entry for Paper Confessions with Cara Mia. I will be sure to link her channel down below and you can check out all of the rules for her giveaway challenge. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.